what's this? Look at it. Daniel, what's this? David, what's this?
What's this?
Oh, a fish. Good job.
Say cheese with the fish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Snap it.
I've snapped it, okay? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Look at another fish. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, these are animals. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, see 4 of them. Did you see them? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This one is hungry. Oh my god. Daniel, did you see the fish?
Small one like this, yeah. Small one like this.
Yeah.
Give me a need them.
Very possible.
Get them, just put them for us. In case of any. Even
What animal is
even
this?
outside zoo, sir.
Okay, that's a duck. Let's
Even
go.
outside zoo, we can go to anywhere. We just know say you get your own bicycle.
Let's go. Let's go.
Find out
Let's
small
go.
one buy. You can even take good research. You find out where you go
Let's
see them for
go.
good. You no go pass 10 or $8.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get ice cream. Mommy, can we get ice cream?
Okay, David.